Ryan Martin encountered a significant hurdle just 2 weeks ago when the powertrain of the grey car experienced a rod failure during a race. At that moment, Ryan was leading Murder Nova when the motor failed, sparking a large fire. Fortunately, both Ryan and the vehicle escaped unharmed, though the engine sustained considerable damage. In response, Ryan has since replaced the grey car's powertrain with a new one. The Fireball Camaro is set to return for this weekend's event, as confirmed by a recent photo online showing it being loaded into a trailer. This development has stirred excitement among fans and rivals alike. Earlier in the season, the Fireball Camaro, equipped with a screw blower, clinched an invitational race victory, demonstrating its prowess. However, damage to the blower forced the car to miss the latest race. Unlike Pro Chargers, which are relatively easy to replace, screw blowers are expensive, rare, and complicated to repair. Despite these challenges, Ryan is eager to bring the Fireball Camaro back to the track. Although the grey car had engine issues, it remained fast and dependable. Many believe Ryan would have defeated Sean in the race if the motor had not failed. Ryan is enthusiastic about the Fireball Camaro, having stated at the beginning of the season that its screw blower system made it the quickest vehicle or combination he had ever driven in MPK. The weather forecast for this coming weekend at Brainerd isn't ideal. However, screw-blown vehicles like the Fireball Camaro tend to perform well under suboptimal air conditions. Ryan has fine-tuned the Fireball Camaro to make it a serious contender. Ryan Martin is a formidable competitor in any race he enters, whether he drives the Fireball Camaro or the grey car. This weekend's race at Brainerd promises to be exciting, especially with the Fireball Camaro possibly making a comeback to the circuit. Stay tuned to see how Ryan competes against the field in the Fireball Camaro.